Vietnam, the sleeping giant that awoke. From war-torn past to economic powerhouse, Vietnam has undergone a stunning transformation to become one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. With its dynamic reforms, booming industries, upgraded infrastructure, skilled workforce, and stable political environment, Vietnam has emerged as a rising star on the global stage. Today we explore the story of Vietnam's economic rise and its exciting future prospects. This is a story of resilience, determination, and visionary leadership, and it is a story that you won't want to miss. Get ready to be inspired by the incredible rise of Vietnam, a rising star in the global economy. Vietnam's impressive development in the last decade can be attributed to several key factors. Number 1. Dynamic economic reforms. Vietnam has undergone a transformation in recent years, with dynamic economic reforms leading the way. The country has transitioned from a centrally planned economy to a market-oriented one, with a focus on growth, innovation, and integration into the global economy. Number 2. Booming industries. Vietnam's transformation is also reflected in its rapidly expanding industries. The nation has undergone rapid industrialization, particularly in the manufacturing sector, becoming a major player in the global supply chain with exports in electronics, textiles, footwear, and more. The government's investment in infrastructure, including transportation, energy, and communication, has made it easier for businesses to operate and facilitated economic growth. Number 3. Infrastructure upgrade. The government has invested heavily in modernizing its infrastructure, including the expansion of airports, highways, and ports. This has improved the country's logistics and transportation capabilities, making it easier for companies to do business and reach new markets. Number 4. Skilled workforce. One of Vietnam's biggest strengths is its skilled and educated workforce. The government's commitment to education and human capital development has resulted in a highly skilled and motivated workforce, attracting foreign investment and helping to drive economic growth. The country's young and dynamic population is eager to learn, work, and contribute to the nation's prosperity. Number 5. Political stability. Vietnam's political stability has also been a critical factor in its success. The government has been supportive of economic reform and growth, resulting in political stability and a favorable business environment. This has encouraged foreign investment and created an environment of confidence, attracting international businesses and entrepreneurs. Vietnam is often referred to as the next China due to similarities in its economic development and growth potential. In recent years, Vietnam has experienced a rapid increase in economic growth, driven in part by a thriving manufacturing sector and strong foreign investment. The country has become a popular destination for global companies looking to move their operations from China due to rising labor costs and trade tensions. Vietnam's manufacturing sector is known for its low-cost labor and favorable business environment, much like China's was in the 1990s and 2000s. The country has made significant investments in infrastructure and attracted numerous foreign companies looking to take advantage of the low production costs and favorable government policies. As a result, Vietnam has become a hub for manufacturing in Southeast Asia, producing a wide range of products, including electronics, textiles, and footwear. In addition to its favorable business environment, Vietnam also has a young and growing population, similar to China's demographic profile in the early stages of its economic development. The country's young and growing workforce, combined with a stable political environment and a focus on economic reforms, has contributed to its strong economic growth in recent years. Overall, Vietnam's rapid economic growth and low-cost manufacturing sector, combined with its favorable demographic profile, have led many experts to view the country as a promising emerging market with the potential to become the next China. Despite its recent economic success, Vietnam still faces significant challenges as it seeks to sustain its growth and further develop its economy. Here are some key areas in which the country needs to improve in order to reach its full potential. Infrastructure development. Despite recent improvements, the country still lacks modern infrastructure and transportation system, which can limit the growth of key industries like manufacturing and tourism. The government needs to continue investing in infrastructure development to ensure that businesses have the resources they need to succeed. Human capital. Vietnam has a young and growing population, but it must invest in education and training programs to ensure that its workforce is equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the modern economy. Competition and innovation. While Vietnam's manufacturing sector has seen strong growth, the country must continue to encourage competition and innovation if it wants to remain competitive on the global stage. This includes promoting entrepreneurship, investing in research and development, and encouraging the development of new technologies and business models. Environmental sustainability. Vietnam's rapid economic growth has put pressure on its natural resources and environment, and the government must take steps to ensure that the country's development is sustainable and protects its unique ecosystems and biodiversity. By addressing these challenges, Vietnam can continue to build on its recent economic success and secure a strong and prosperous future for its people. However, to continue its trajectory of growth and development, the government must address the key challenges outlined above, including infrastructure development, human capital, competition and innovation, and environmental sustainability. With the right investments and policies, there is no doubt that Vietnam has the potential to become a major player on the global stage and continue to improve the lives of its people for years to come.